In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually import bank transactions into QuickBooks Online using CSV files. This is a handy skill to have, especially when you need to ensure all your financial information is up to date without relying on automatic bank feeds. So, let's dive in and guide you through this straightforward process. First, we need to begin by navigating to the Transactions tab in QuickBooks Online. Look to the left-hand side of your screen and you'll find a panel with various options. Locate and click on Transactions. Once you're on the Transactions page, your next step is to select the Bank Transactions tab. This area is where all your bank activity will be stored once you import your files. Now, bring your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice a button labeled Link Account. Next to it is a small caret icon. Essentially, it's a small, downward-facing arrow that provides additional options. By clicking this caret icon, a drop-down menu will appear, revealing the choice to Upload from Cell. The next step is straightforward but crucial. Click on Upload from File. Doing so will prompt QuickBooks Online to open a file upload window. Ensure that your CSV file containing your bank transactions is ready and accessible. When you click Upload from File, select your CSV file to begin the import process. Once your file is selected and has started uploading, QuickBooks Online will ask for some confirmation. The system wants to make sure that the data columns in your CSV file correctly align with the fields QuickBooks recognizes. You may notice that it isn't always a perfect match on the first try, so keep an eye out for any discrepancies. If something doesn't align perfectly, QuickBooks provides the tools necessary for you to manually adjust each field. This way, you're in control of ensuring all your data lines up accurately. And there you have it. Once your fields are properly aligned, your transaction should be successfully imported into your QuickBooks Online account. While it might seem a bit intricate at first, once you've got the hang of it, importing your financial data manually becomes a seamless part of managing your accounting records. Thank you for following along with this quick guide. It's all about taking command of your financial data, and with these steps, you're well on your way to keeping your QuickBooks Online account as accurate as possible. If you want more tips or guidance, feel free to explore other tutorials. Happy bookkeeping!